And now, it's time for the Sea Lions Flash.
Hello guys, welcome to the Sea Lions Flash.
Hey Sea Lions, remember to always play fair.
Try your best.
Hello, Sea Lions. Let's make it a great week. This is Sea Lion leader Jet Lewis with this week's announcements. Vision screening is on Monday for students in kindergarten, 2nd, and 5th grade. The Surf Lab begins on Monday. Let's do our best in our reading groups. Violin rehearsal for the Monday group is after school. We have an emergency drill on Tuesday at 10:45 a.m. Remember to listen to instructions from your teachers. Violin rehearsal for the Tuesday group is after school. Wednesday is college day. Wear gear to support your favorite university. PTA Reflections comes to an end on Wednesday. Make sure you turn in your project. Sea Lion Chorus is on Wednesday after school. Thanks for getting involved. Superintendent Dr. Pulver and special guests will be visiting McGaw on Thursday morning. Let's show our guests raw behavior in every classroom. The last day of PTA membership drive is on Thursday. Let's get signed up to earn that classroom reward. Sea Lion Awards are on Friday. Congratulations to all our hard-working students. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Let's make it a great week.
Thank you, Miss Kim, for being such a great teacher. You helped us learn a lot. And for putting a smile on all of our faces. Bye. I like to Miss Martin gives hugs and do DJs about indoor race lesson with the Lord. I say thank you to Miss Lopescu because she was the best first grade teacher. Thank you, Miss Cruz, for being a good teacher and learning new instruments for me. I want to say thank you to Miss Lopescu because she teaches me math.
Thank you, Mr. White, for teaching us this. You are the best teacher in the whole world, and I love you. Thank you, Miss Garcia, for being a really nice teacher.
I'd like to give a shout out to Miss Lewis because she's joyful with students.
Thank you, Miss Garcia, for being a nice K1 teacher and putting a smile on my face every day.
Hey Sea Lions, this is Mr. Larson with a quick update on how to play safely on the tetherball court. You see, this ball is attached by a rope that goes all the way up to this pole. It's important to note that when you're playing tetherball, you got to make sure that you're staying out of the way of the tetherball because it might hit you in a place that you don't expect. The other thing I want to give you an update on is that it's never okay to hang on a tetherball. This rope is really thin and it can't support the weight of a young person like yourself. So just remember to watch out for the tetherball and make sure you never hang on the tetherball. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Hey students, I'm here at King of the Hill with an important message about why you need to be an honest judge. Many of the games here at McGaw require the judge to be an honest person, someone who's willing to call an out like it is or to call it in just like it is. If you are a dishonest judge, then you risk losing access to that game because honesty is a virtue here at McGaw Elementary School. We want people to play fairly, to be kind, and to make sure that everyone has an opportunity to play. So make the right call, you guys. Be a good judge at all the courts where there's a line and an expectation for the first person. Thanks so much. Go ahead and pull it out from the box.
That looks fuzzy. That's all with you.
Hey Finley, high five. Yeah, go enjoy your book.
We got a robot.
All right, turn it in.
ETK.
Let's kick things off with the celebration for UTK student from Mrs. Barr's class. Put your hands together for Max Thorne. Thank you, Max, for making sure the slide was clear before going down. Having a safe experience on our playground is so important. Thanks, Max.
Kindergarten.
Mrs. Hess wants to shout out kindergarten student Rhea Tilley. She said Rhea followed great directions during writing time. She was a super speller today. Thanks so much, Rhea. We see you trying hard every single day.
First grade.
Mrs. Pallone wants to shout out a first grader from Mrs. Gardner's class. Congratulations to Avalon Post. Avalon was so helpful with the UTK student that was struggling with going to after-school class. You did such a great job, Avalon. We appreciate you.
Second grade.
Mrs. Lee wants to shout out second grader Julian Metlack. She said that Julian is the best listener. He has his hand up ready to participate in all of the class discussions. Thanks, Julian, for sharing your knowledge.
Third grade.
Mrs. Olveda wants to shout out a third grader from Miss Espinosa's class. Put your hands together for Rodney Antrim. She said that Rodney has done a great job this whole week by raising his hand at the lunch tables. Thanks so much, Rodney.
Fourth grade.
Mrs. Breedlove is thrilled to celebrate fourth grader Dimitri Rajias. She said that Dimitri approached his math with resilience and a growth mindset until he got it right. There's no stopping you when you have focus and you're determined. Way to go!
Fifth grade.
And finally, Miss Ryan wants to celebrate fifth grader Reed LaDuke. Reed saw a student sitting all by himself out on the field. He was concerned about his feelings, so Reed went up to him and asked if he wanted to play catch and if he was doing okay. Reed, that is stellar leadership from you, and I'm really, really thrilled to see you putting in the hard work.
Remember, Sea Lions, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk,
And I'll see you on campus.
bye!